Imagine a river where you could literally cook an egg, no stove needed. Deep in the heart of the Amazon, there's a hidden river called Shanay Timpishka. Locals call it the Boiling River. The water here reaches up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to kill anything unlucky enough to fall in. Scientists were stumped. There's no volcano nearby. Turns out, underground hot springs heat the water, creating this natural marvel. Only a handful of people have ever seen it up close, and it's deadly dangerous. It's one of Earth's wildest secrets, right in the middle of the jungle. So next time you think your shower's too hot, just remember, the boiling river is on a whole other level.